Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? I just want to show you guys a video of how I make my raised bed and what I use for compost. I use these leaves and I place them in the bed. Okay? Then I put the dirt over it. And then I leave it so the rain, the sun, the coldness, everything gonna be rotting in this leaf over a period of time. Then this same leaf gonna become compost. Okay? So now this is a raised bed that I have here. This is an area right here. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to use these leaves and I'm going to spread it all over. Okay, so just like how you see I do this with all the leaf, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to add the dirt on top of it. So over a period of time, this is gonna become compost for the plant. So this is all I use, and I also use rotten wood, which I'm gonna show you as well. So this is how you can get all the nutrients and all the minerals and everything from your vegetables. Why? Because you're using stuff that comes from the earth, that comes from nature. When you add the pesticide and other things, to me, my opinion, I think it messes with the soil and also the plant. That's my opinion. Everybody else have their own opinion. But to me, this is how I plant organic. So I'm going to put some dirt and add on top of this. Then I'm going to show you the end result of it. I'm also going to show you guys some plants that I have in the garden, which is organic, which is the same way I prepare this bed, is the same way I prepare the other bed. Okay. All right, so what I'm doing now, I'm going to dig the dirt from this area. And I'm gonna add it on top of there and so when you do like this, you ain't got to add no manual to this for at least another 2 years. This gonna maintain this garden, the vegetables for this year. Then for the next year, these leaves gonna be rotting, decaying, and start feeding for the next crop. All right, so now this is the raised bed. So this raised bed already prepared for the spring, and after this crop this spring, next season you wouldn't have to add no fertilizer, no manure, nothing. This will maintain your plants in this area for a few years. Okay, so this is how I grow my vegetables. I only use things from the earth. I'm not sure if everybody have access to stuff like this, but this is very important. When you plant like these, you get the full nutrient. You get what you're supposed to get from the plant, and the earth will always be rich and nice instead of dry with no substance inside of it. So this is very important. So you guys see what I did here. I add the bush underneath, then I add the dirt on top, and I'm gonna just leave it here. A lot of people add different things like eggs, all different things to break down the leaves. But I don't know if you ever add garbage in a can and go back to the garbage, and when you go you see all kind of bacteria and all kind of thing living coming out of the garbage. So I try to stay away from those things because I just want a nice clean garden. I want to create no parasite and insect in the garden, so I do not add these products, eggs and nothing. I allow nature to break it down for itself. So now I'm going to show you guys a few things that I plant this same way. All right. Okay, this bed, I did this bed the same way. These are collard greens, collards. Okay, all these is collards coming down here. And they're growing, as you can see, they're growing pretty decent. Okay, nothing added. Same process like what I show you there. It's the same thing I did here. And even here. Okay? These are collards as well. Over here now. Over here, this is broccoli. All right, these broccoli already start producing already. If you could look here, watch. You can see they already start producing and they look as healthy as possible. These